In our Magniworld playing, the following two situations may occur. One is iron filings adhering to the game materials, and the other is stains remaining on the game materials. For these two scenarios, we have some corresponding cleaning Iron filings may stick to the magnetic tiles. These filings do not come from our product but are picked up from metal debris on the ground during use. If iron filings adhere to the tiles as shown in the video, let's take a look at how to clean them. First, take a wet wipe and gently rub it over the area where the iron filings are stuck. The filings will then attach to the wet wipe for easy removal. If stains remain on the magnetic tiles, you can clean them using a professional mold cleaner. Mold purge of spray. Simply take the cleaner, spray it twice directly onto the stained area, and then wipe it off with a tissue. Alternatively, you can spray the cleaner onto a tissue first, and then use it to wipe the stained spots. Alright, everyone, those are the two cleaning methods we recommend. For iron filings, simply wipe them away with a wet wipe. For stains, use a professional mold cleaner for thorough cleaning. You can perform regular cleaning and maintenance based on your actual usage